Here's how you can enable the sounds on the iPad when sharing screen using the Microsoft Teams. Let me show you how it works. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you can get inside your meetings and you have like the audio section below, so you can like turn off your microphone as well as the speaker. So that's for the general meeting. But if you want to share your screen, you always just tap on the share button with the arrow at the bottom. Click on sharing just the screen, so you don't like share photos or videos, just the screen. And then the next page is very important because it asks you if you want to share it with audio or without the audio. This is where you decide if you also want to include the sound while sharing the content of your iPad. So this is how you can basically decide, and then it's gonna get it to the same page but only with the audio or without it, and then you can just share whatever else is like happening on your device with all of the members and participants. So it works well, right? Yeah, but yeah, this is where you need to decide. So I just quickly wanted to show you this option. Let me know if it helped you out. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos too.